Are we going to have Fianna Fáil's long and highly anticipated report into the presidential election debacle this side of Christmas? Or even next Christmas?
No to the first one. No, this report is not going to be out before Christmas. It's probably not going to be out this year. It'll probably run into 2026 unless they drop it on, New Year's Eve, a nice convenient time for us to see it. So they had their parliamentary party meeting and the TDs, senators and MEPs were told by the Taoiseach that Jim Gavin's legal team has requested a draft copy of the report. So the draft is done. Now it's gone to his legal team. He didn't participate in the report. He wasn't interviewed as part of it. There were 30-something people interviewed.
Hamlet without the prince, indeed, yeah?
Without the prince is exactly what this report is. And without his participation in it, it's hard to see what in this report could have been said about him without the opportunity to run it past him. So that process is now happening through his lawyers. There was an initial delay with this because the Taoiseach was away. The Taoiseach was in Brazil at COP, so he couldn't be interviewed. Then he came back and he was interviewed. And this is the next delay now. How long will Jim Gavin's legal team have this report for? Who knows?
Kind of fair enough, though. I mean, basically, in the weekend when it all went down and it all went down to Swanee, Micheál Martin and Jack Chambers came out, and it was pretty despicable the manner in which they dumped all over Jim Gavin, pointed the finger at him, threw him under the bus, rolled the bus back over him again and said, this is all his fault. He told us there was no problem here. We accepted his information, and sure, lo and behold, there was a tenant in the background who was owed $3,500, but Jim Gavin never told us.